Hello everyone, welcome to our new class. Today we're talking about the future forms. To talk about the future, simply we use will plus infinitive, or verb to be plus going to and the infinitive as well, or the present continuous or present simple. So the easiest one of them to use is present simple. So we use a present simple to talk about future timetable. So if you're talking about something that is timed, like we're talking about a plane, bus, train, maybe school lesson, cinema, TV programs, all of these timed actions, we use a present simple with it. So as an example, we can say the last lesson finishes at 3:30, or our plane takes off at 7 p.m. So that's for the present simple. It's only one use for it in the future. This is going to be present continuous. Present continuous is used to talk about future arrangements. And when we talk about future arrangements, so we need to know that an arrangement in the future is an action that is planned for and also prepared for. So we need to have preparation for the action to call it arranged action. So when I say I'm visiting the dentist today, so that means that I have already arranged this appointment. Or if I say I'm traveling to Spain next Sunday, so that means that I've already booked a ticket, or I have the visa. I know the time. I know the when exactly. So all of that is considered a part of arrangements. We have going to. So be going to has got two different types of use. First one, when you talk about plans or decisions or just intentions for the future. And remember to differentiate between future arrangements as for the present continuous, or future plans or just decisions for the future as we use with going to. So if I say I'm going to travel to Spain next summer, so that means I only have decided this, or I have the intention of doing that, but it doesn't mean that I have prepared anything to do it, as in the present continuous. And also we use be going to talk about predictions with facts and evidence. So if you're predicting something to happen in the future and you have an evidence, something that we can see by our eyes, something that we can hear, something that we can feel, so you use be going to. So as an example, if you say it's cloudy, it's going to rain, so that means that you have an evidence that it is going to rain. Finally, using will plus infinitive to talk about future actions. We have many uses for will. First of all, we use will to talk about on-the-spot decisions, or something we call spontaneous decisions. These are decisions which you make at the time of speaking for something in the future. So if someone asks you, or would you like to have ice cream or juice, so you can say I'll have juice. If the doorbell is ringing, so you can say I'll open the door. So that decision, it's not arranged, it's not taken before, it's called spontaneous or on the spot decision, which you take it at the time of speaking. Then we have also a use according to, well, we usually talk about general predictions and opinions. So remember, when we were talking about be going to, so we said that we use it for predictions, but this needs to include facts. But for, well, the predictions are just opinions and general with no evidence. So if I'm supporting a team, so I can say our team will win the match. So I have no evidence for that. Also use, well, to talk about promises, offers, and warnings. So say I'll pay for the damages, so that means that I promise to do so. And also use, well, to talk about facts. So a future fact like I'll be 14 years old next March. So that's a fact that is happening in the future. So we use well with it as well. Future, we have also a tense called the future continuous. So this tense, we use it for only for specific situations or actions in the future. So something like, if I'm trying to express that at a certain time I will be doing something, so that means I will be in the middle of doing that thing. And this is called future continuous. So will plus be and the verb with ing to form it. So if I say I'll be working at 2 in the afternoon, so that means that 2 o'clock I'll be already in the middle of my work. I will start work before 2 and will finish after 2. So at 2, that will be in the middle. Or we can say it also for a duration of time. So we will be having a party from 2 to 4 tomorrow. And finally, we use another tense called future perfect. So future perfect also, it has a certain use for it, but its form first is will, have, and the past participle. So this tense, we use it for talking about completed actions by a certain time in the future. So the action we are talking about at that time in the future will be finished or completed. So if I say she will have decorated her home by Monday, so that means when Monday comes, the decoration will be completed. And for this tense, the future perfect, we often use it with time expressions like by or before and a future point of time. So that's it for now. Thank you very much for listening and see you next lesson. Thank you.